Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, the free version, GPT 3.5, to create an amazing resume or CV. Not only that, I'm going to give you the prompt, or it's a two-step prompt, and I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your resume section by section. You don't have to use any templates. You don't have to, get panicked. You're starting a new job or you're looking for a new job and you're not sure where to go. I promise you, if you work with me on this one, this will get you through it guaranteed. So here is an example. So the prompt I put up here, as you'll see here, as an HR expert with 2 decades of experience in the field, you have a keen understanding of what makes a resume stand out from the crowd. You're here to assist me in crafting an exceptional resume, which includes sections such as professional summary, work experience, education, skills, awards and recognition, publications, certifications, volunteer experience, and personal projects. Now, do note that these are just examples. You do not have to have all of those sections in your resume. You can in fact take some out. You can add other ones in that you don't see here. This is just an example. We'll go further. We'll approach this through a dialogue. You will ask me a series of questions and my responses will help you to complete the resume. If my response to any question is skip, you will not include that section in the final resume. Let's commence by discussing my most recent position. Now that last line says, let's begin, but it's not just like begin. This is begin, and here's where we start. So this is what I want you to ask me. So here we go. I've gone ahead and entered that. Let's see what we get. Great. Let's get started with your most recent position. Good job, ChatGPT. That's what I asked for. And then it says job title, company name, etc., job description. So here I go. I punch it in. 1, graphic designer and motion artist. 2, Cal Arts. This isn't true. I didn't work for Cal Arts. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Then 3 is employment dates. 3 years, 09-19 to 10-22. So 3 years and a month. Location, and then job description. Okay, here we go. So I hit enter, and then it says, thank you for providing that information. This section could give a brief review, blah, blah, blah. Could you provide a summary statement that highlights your key strengths, achievements, and the value you can bring to your potential employers? Now, that is fine and dandy, but read this line here. It says it should be concise, captivating, ideally within 3 to 4 lines. If you need inspiration, feel free to ask. Yes, I do. So what did I type in? I hit provide inspiration. I hit enter. The reason why I did that is because I want to see A, what it has to say. It could be close to what I'm looking for. And B, it gives me an idea as to the formatting, what it should look like. So I said, provide information, and then I hit enter. And here it goes, versatile graphic designer and motion graphics artist with a blah, blah, blah. This is fantastic. Of course, I don't recommend you copy and paste it directly. You may want, of course, change it up, add some things in, take some things out. But keep in mind that this is still pretty darn good. And then it sort of says, feel free to customize this statement according to your unique experiences and strengths. So, beautiful. Okay, so then what did I do? I just took this, and then I just went Command-C, Command-V, so I just copied it, and then I hit Enter. And then when I did that, you'll see here that I've entered this info here, and then it says, now, excellent, your professional summary sounds captivating. Now let's move on to work experience. You see how we're working through the resume step by step by step. Based on your recent position, we'll create a clear and impactful description, blah, blah, blah. Okay, good. So please provide me with a list of your key responsibilities and notable achievements. So if you have these handy, for example, I have a document here that I would write this down in, and I've got some, here's what I did, here's some of the things I did. Great, wonderful. If you don't have that, remember, just type in provide inspiration and then hit enter, just like that. Let's try that again, Curtis. Provide inspiration, I'll just copy and paste that. Command-V, Command-C, Command-V, hit enter. When you do that, look what it gave me. It says, here's the headline. Graphic designer and motion graphic artist from this date to this date. Led a team of 8 designers. Of course, customize this as you see fit. These are just examples. And then bang, I took it, I copy and pasted it in just like that. So I just go, okay, that sounded good. Command-C, copy and paste it in here. And then bang, it goes on to the next section. Please provide the following details about your education. Now, if you have it handy, great. If you don't, provide inspiration. Here it goes. Bachelor of Arts in Graphic Design, Cal Arts, California, graduated in 2019. This is just an example, but again, season it to your specific needs and to your specific education. But there you go. And then I just copy and paste it in, and you see that I'm just going through this step by step by step. These are my skills. If you don't know what your skills are off the top of your head, just provide inspiration, and then you'll get some ideas, and then just adjust it as you see fit. And your skill section is good. Now your awards and recognition. I have a few awards and recognitions, but not too much. So I would go ahead and then I just copy and paste that in, as you see I'm doing here. And then it says here, this one is publications. Now I don't have any publications, so I would just type in skip and hit enter. But if you have publications, go for it. And then, you know what, there it is, step by step. Here we go. So this is the prompt. I'm going to put this in the link. I'm going to link this in the description below. This is all you need to do. And just keep in mind that if you get stuck, just type in provide inspiration, and this will create your resume with you, not for you, with you, step by step. Thanks for watching.